Here's how you can set the volume up button to answer an incoming call and use the power button to end a call. This is the Galaxy A55 smartphone or any other Samsung phone with Android 13 or 14. If you want to make use of this feature, you can go into the phone dialer app, which is your default Samsung dialer app here. And once in this section here, if you're under the keypad or the recents area, you'll look for the three dots at the top right section here. Tap on it once and then go to where it says settings. As you're in the settings section here now, you're going to see these different options for call settings. Go to where it says answering and ending calls, all right? So the one that says answering and ending calls, and you'll see these two right here. So press volume up to answer and call. So let's just say you have an incoming call. Instead of having to swipe or touch your display, you can just press the up volume here and you're going to answer that call. Then if you are done talking to the person and you want to end the call, you can press the power button here and that's going to end the call for you. And of course, if you have been ending the calls accidentally by pressing the power button to unlock your phone while in the middle of a call, this is the reason why your call has been ending. So you can come here and turn that off as well. Like and sub.